I'm here with my friend Kristen today, and we get to cook in the Second Harvest Food Bank's kitchen today. And we've been here before, and
it's our home away from home.
I know, it is our home away from home. And it's just an awesome place.
It is. This whole kitchen setup they have is such a phenomenal place for us to be able to cook together, and they do the same thing for people in our community.
I know.
It's really neat.
Recipients from the food bank, they get to come in and learn how to cook some of the fresh stuff that they have out in the warehouse, learn what they need to do with the food to make healthy stuff at home.
Yeah.
I love it.
We're gonna do that too.
I know, I'm excited. So we have a lot of ingredients here.
We do, and today we're working with grapes, which are just so tasty and beautiful. And my kids' favorite thing to do with grapes is peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
So we're making peanut butter and jelly pancakes.
Awesome.
We're gonna start our morning that way.
And we don't have actual grapes, but we have the juice concentrate, which is awesome.
And we're gonna use it to make a really bright syrup too. It'll be
really strong and sweet, and you can do a lot with it.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me what to do.
Well, we're gonna start making some whole grain pancakes. This is one of my favorite ways to do it, but you have to do it overnight.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna start with this mason jar, and we're gonna add just a bunch of different whole grains to it.
Awesome.
So we'll start, and we have some wheat berries.
Okay.
Just whole wheat.
So those are kind of chewy once they...
Yeah, so this is exactly what flour comes from. And we're gonna blend them up, and it'll be just like flour.
Oh, okay.
But this way you can, I've done these before as a gift to people at Christmas time. I'll give them syrup and a little pancake mix.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And it just looks pretty because you layer all your grains. So we have our whole wheat, and then steel cut oats.
And so what do you have to do to it overnight?
It just soaks.
Just soaks.
And it softens the grains.
Okay.
So then we can put them all in our blender, and then it'll come out nice and smooth like it would if it were just coming from flour.
Okay.
So that one's buckwheat.
Okay, buckwheat.
And then flax.
And some flax. These are super healthy.
And last but not least, some polenta.
Oh, okay.
So we put them all in there,
Uh-huh.
and then we're just gonna fill it with water. Do you wanna fill it with water up to the top?
Okay. That's easy enough.
Just like that.
Awesome.
There you go.
I love your little simple ideas.
My little kitchen hack.
Yes, you have good kitchen hacks.
And then look, we have one that's out overnight.
Yeah,
So you can see how the grains, they swell.
They do, yeah.
And that'll help it be softer and easier for us to.
So now, is this the peanut butter part of the pancakes here?
Yes. Peanut butter chips.
Awesome.
That's my kid's job when we make it.
Yeah.
maybe that can be my job today. You can make the pancakes, and I'll put on copious amounts of peanut butter chips.
So you just put it all in there, water and everything?
Yep, water and everything. We're just gonna dump it all into the blender and blend it for about 2 to 5 minutes.
Once our grains are blended, we add in brown sugar, canola oil, salt, and eggs. We blend the batter for a few seconds to make sure the ingredients are all mixed in. Then we add baking powder and baking soda. Soon, our whole grain pancake batter is ready.
So I will go ahead and make some pancakes.
Okay.
And then you can show me how to do the syrup.
All right, I'm gonna come over and start it.
Okay.
And we're just gonna use, I have a nice container of frozen purple grape juice concentrate.
Awesome.
And the thing, you know how grape juice has that tang to it too? So it makes a nice syrup.
Kristen adds water and cornstarch to the grape concentrate and begins to whisk until it thickens.
And it'll come to a boil really quickly, and that's it.
And that's it. That's
done.
awesome.
Yeah.
And the grape juice just smells so good.
And fresh.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of other syrups, I sometimes find they're really sweet. But grapes have that nice tartness to them as well.
Yeah. We went to the Welch's grape juice factory and got to see how they process the grapes and how they make them into juice concentrate.
Oh, how neat.
Yeah, it was really, really cool. And it smelled really good.
While Kristen works on the syrup, I add a peanut butter flair to our pancakes.
Peanut butter chips. And I didn't eat all of them, almost though.
There's still, you saved a few for later.
I saved a few.
Once my pancakes are cooked and Kristen's grape syrup is ready, it's time to give our PB&J pancakes a try.
I say we go like this because,
Get a little crazy.
Awesome.
Dig in. I love that syrup.
It's like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
It is for breakfast.
That syrup is amazing.
Isn't it delicious?
And you didn't have to do anything to it, just add some cornstarch.
Yep. No sugar or anything.
Just let it be natural and good.
Delicious, beautiful.
great idea.
grape juice.
To get Kristen's PB&J pancake recipe, head over to wagrown.com.